Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare, and I'm going to share my absolute favorite routine for achieving that coveted, radiant glow. You might be surprised to learn that natural skincare isn't just about trendy ingredients, it's about working with your skin's natural processes to bring out its best. It's simple, effective, and gentle on your skin. Get ready to discover the secrets to a naturally glowing complexion, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's start with the foundation of any skincare routine, cleansing. Think of it as giving your skin a fresh start. It's crucial to remove makeup, dirt, and environmental pollutants that accumulate throughout the day. Now, you don't need harsh chemicals to achieve this. Nature offers some amazing alternatives. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent that gently cleanses and moisturizes. Coconut oil is another fantastic option, especially for dry skin. If you prefer a gentle scrub, try mixing oatmeal with a little water for a soothing and effective exfoliation. Remember, choosing the right cleanser is essential. If you have oily skin, look for something that's oil-free and helps control shine. For dry skin, opt for a creamy, hydrating cleanser. Find the perfect match for your skin type and enjoy a clean, fresh canvas for the rest of your routine. Now, let's talk about exfoliation. This is where we reveal that radiant glow. Exfoliation gently removes dead skin cells, allowing fresh, new cells to come to the surface. This process promotes cell turnover, giving you a smoother, brighter complexion. You don't need expensive products to exfoliate. Simple ingredients like sugar combined with a little oil create a gentle yet effective scrub. Coffee grounds also make a wonderful exfoliant, helping to stimulate circulation. Even baking soda mixed with water can work wonders. Just be sure to use these exfoliants 1 to 2 times a week, as overexfoliation can irritate your skin. Remember, the key is to be gentle and listen to your skin's needs. Hydration is absolutely key to achieving that healthy, glowing complexion. Think of it as quenching your skin's thirst. When your skin is properly hydrated, it's plump, supple, and full of life. And the best part? Nature has some amazing moisturizers. Aloe vera is a miracle worker, soothing and hydrating even the most sensitive skin. Jojoba oil is a great option for oily skin, as it mimics your skin's natural sebum. Avocado oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, perfect for nourishing dry skin. When choosing a moisturizer, consider your skin type. If you have oily skin, opt for a lightweight, oil-free formula. Dry skin will benefit from a rich, creamy moisturizer. And consistency is key. Apply your moisturizer daily, morning and night, to keep your skin happy and hydrated. Last but certainly not least, sun protection is essential for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. UV rays can damage your skin, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. So, even on cloudy days, it's crucial to wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. And don't worry, there are plenty of natural options available. Look for sunscreens with ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These minerals provide broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays, and they're gentle on your skin. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is a daily habit that will pay off in the long run, keeping your complexion healthy and glowing for years to come.